Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this step-by-step guide on replacing the motor in your Dyson DC29 vacuum cleaner. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a torque wrench, and a pair of pliers. Let's dive into the process. First, unplug your Dyson DC29 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the vacuum is completely disconnected. Next, take your Phillips screwdriver and remove the screws from the main body of the vacuum. There are typically 6 screws located on the back and sides. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the casing to expose the internal components. Be cautious not to force it, as this may damage the clips that hold the casing together. Now, you should see the motor assembly. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust and debris inside the vacuum. This will help improve the efficiency of your new motor. To remove the old motor, locate the screws securing it in place. You will need your torque wrench for this step. Carefully unscrew the motor's mounting screws, taking care not to drop them. If your motor has any electrical connections, gently disconnect them using your pliers. At this point, if you don't have the tools or feel unsure about continuing, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with the process, ensuring your vacuum is in top shape. Now, it's time to install the new motor. Position the new motor in place and secure it with the mounting screws you previously removed. Reconnect any electrical connections, making sure they are tightly fitted. Once everything is securely in place, carefully reassemble the vacuum casing. Align the clips and press the casing together until you hear a click, indicating it's locked. Now, replace the screws you initially removed, ensuring they are tight but not overly so to avoid stripping. Before testing the vacuum, take a moment to check for any loose components. If you'd like, we can offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your vacuum serviced without the hassle of calls or travel. Finally, plug in your Dyson DC29 and test the new motor. Listen for any unusual sounds, which may indicate a problem. If everything sounds good, congratulations! You have successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson DC29. Remember, we provide a quote before repair if you need further assistance or choose to have us handle it for you. Thank you for following along. Your Dyson DC29 should now perform like new. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.